The key to a healthy spine is healthy hips. Once the hips start to seize up, you'll be unable to hinge from the hips and therefore squat effectively. This means when picking up a heavy object, the body will compensate by using the spine like a building site tower crane. Mistreating the spine like this is a surefire way of destroying the fabric of the spine. Although this posture is nothing like a squat, when done correctly, it does help restore and maintain the body's capacity to hinge from the hip while maintaining the all-important neutral spine. In this posture, you are doing a reverse hip hinge while maintaining a neutral spine. While I have not changed the basic biomechanical structure of the Bikram style hands to feet pose, I have changed how best to move into this posture safely that supports all body types. Start off, hands in prayer, and on an exhale, slowly come down straight spine, all the way down. Next, grab your knees and inhale and exhale and relax and pull open your structure, driving the bum down, driving the chest up to fully elongate your straight neutral spine. Feel the shoulder sockets open. Inhale, exhale, relax and pull open. Next, take a deep inhale. And on the exhale, keep the stomach glued to your thigh, hip hinge, drive the relaxed bum up to the ceiling, keep a straight spine, driving the chest away from the hip. Pause for the inhale, and then exhale and relax the bum, drive the chest away from the hip, again lengthen the spine and fully open out to this structure. When you get to the inhale, maintain the opening you just created, and then exhale, relax and pull open. Where your hands go is a choice. You can either bring the hands behind your calf muscles, or if you wish, you can grab the elbows and find length in the spine, driving the elbows away, pulling open the spine. On the exhale, hands back to prayer, and hip hinge, straight spine, back to standing. The biggest tip I can give you is to imagine the hips are connected to a helium balloon as you lift the hips up to the ceiling as you hip hinge. This balloon is doing all the work. You are relaxed, almost hanging off this balloon. In this posture, I've enhanced the manner in which the body moves into the standard Bikram yoga posture known as hands to feet pose, so that the hamstrings are not overstretched, while enhancing the capacity of the hips to rotate, while guaranteeing the spine remains neutral. Typically in yoga, everyone gets fixated on stretching, and as a result, muscles get overstretched, weakening the function of the muscles. It is so easy to overstretch the hamstrings. Don't overstretch the back of your legs. Only feel a very light yawn type stretch. That is all you need. If you ignore this, your yoga practice will increase hamstring tightness, which in turn will affect the quality of your movement in everyday life. Unless you have truly amazing hip rotation, the standard approach of grabbing the feet in hands to feet pose and pulling the body down simply turns the spine into a crowbar, somehow to lever out more hip rotation or hamstring stretch. That's a total misuse of the spine, and it is a surefire way of damaging the lower spine. If you suffer from lower back pain, sciatica, tight hamstrings, or have a slip disc, the standard approach of grabbing the feet will rapidly make everything so much worse. Never grab the feet, ever. Even if you don't suffer from sciatica or tight hamstrings, the standard approach of grabbing your feet is functionally lazy and in no way enhances the key elements needed to strengthen and restore the hips and the spine. You must target your efforts on lengthening the spine using purely inner core strength, not your arms. The key to unlocking the healing power of this posture is an intense focus on maintaining a neutral spine while you explore the capacity of hip rotation. This means you are extremely unlikely to get your legs straight. How straight or bent your legs should be, it should never really enter your mind. It's not a concern. As with all yoga postures, your primary intention is to relax all your surface muscles, enhancing your level of awareness with your inner stabilization strength, gently pulling open the whole body, particularly in this posture, your hips, feeling the sockets relax and open as that balloon lifts you up.